Hey everyone, Wade Thomas here with Black Tie Barn Candle Company. I just wanted to put a quick video out there to let you know something new that I've been working on. It's a new year for all of us, and there's a lot of new things that I want to do this year. So that is what I'll be working on over the next several weeks, several months. Really, it's going to be a constant project, from this point forward. But one thing that I do have new started is a brand new Facebook page dedicated for us candle makers. Now, many of you may already engage with me through various methods. That could be on Facebook groups or even my own Facebook page, email, this channel, lots of various methods to work with each other. But one thing that I've kind of noticed as time has gone on my Facebook page is that page was originally intended as a kind of a regular Facebook page for my candle business and my customers. And as we all try to support each other and learn from each other, often we end up kind of subscribing, liking, following each other's pages, Instagram accounts, and whatnot, which is great. But I've been kind of struggling a little bit with trying to maintain some separation between the content that I post intended for customers, for example, new products, new candle line, discounts, sales, promotions, seasonal events, things like that, versus content that I want to post for other candle makers, tips, tricks, videos, resources, things like that. So, like this channel, for example. And so I really wanted to have a little bit better separation between the content for customers and the content for fellow candle makers. And so I have created that new business page that is Black Tie Barn Workshop versus my regular Black Tie Barn candle page. I will put the link to that page in the description below. But I just wanted to throw that out there real quick. This is not going to be a long video or a tutorial video of any kind. I just want to let you know that page is out there and what it's kind of intended for. So hopefully, if you already like and follow my current Black Tie Barn Candle Company Facebook page, I hope that you do like and follow this new one, because that is the page where it will be easier for us to engage and work together, have discussions, and I'll post, all my links to my videos, other resources, any candle making tips, anything that could help us as candle makers will be directed and posted on that page, as opposed to my other page, which is still there, mainly meant and intended for my customers. So anyways, that will help keep my content that I post as well as my responses more appropriately focused to who it's intended for. For example, right now I get a lot of questions and comments from some of you to that current Facebook business page, which is great, but sometimes it's hard to know when I get some messages in, whether those are customers asking about my candle products to purchase, or if there's some of you asking, wanting to talk candle making. And so this will help really make it easier for me to kind of keep focus on what is what. And so hopefully you all enjoy this as well. Now there's a lot more I have coming down the road, but I don't want to really mention them specifically right now until they're ready to go, or at least I know a better ETA. So for now, I just wanted to put a quick video, let you all know about the new Facebook page. Hopefully you all get on there and like and follow that page, and we can start having some other conversations in a more dedicated space for all of us to kind of work and engage together. There are a lot of other resources out there. There's different groups and channels and pages. And so I just wanted to say that I appreciate you all for being here. And I definitely encourage you to use all the resources you have at your availability. But I do appreciate the support that you all have given this channel and hopefully the new page. With that being said, I will talk to you all soon, and stay tuned for some more content coming your way and some other exciting announcements that hopefully I'll get to over the next couple weeks. So thank you all again, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.